24 Ford Expedition Max. Do you need this? Probably not. Do you need this? Probably not. Do you need that? Yes, you do. That is a 13 mil. Now, we are taking off this clip to show you how to do both, because they're so easy you can't possibly mess this up. So these just spread open. You can do it with your hand, you can do it with that tool, but it just locks into place. Spread the bottom one down, top one up, and this puppy will pop right off. Take off the 13 mil and drop the retainer clip, whatever this thing's called. And what you do is you push, pull gently, Wesley. See? There you go. Pops the guy off. That's the arm. Now, we want the wiper blade. You can leave it back on, put it right back to where you found it. All right. 13, put it back on, because we didn't need to take it off. I'm showing you both. This is the arm, how to replace the arm, God forbid someone breaks this thing on you. And this guy you use for the actual wiper. So watch, let me put this back on, tighten her back up, I'll be right back. All right, so now she's back on, ain't going nowhere. You can just probably even use your thumb. Watch this. Pop this blade right out of the socket. Do not let that go, because you might break the glass. You don't want to do that. You just want to replace the blade. See that little socket right there? That goes right in here. That little rod. Will it focus? So line her up and just snap. Done. Put the cover back on and sayonara. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.